Enhance your electronic devices with the SUODINKORTTI 309340 PCB card. It offers optimal filtering, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. Its compact design allows for seamless integration into your systems. Perfect for enhancing circuit board protection, the SUODINKORTTI 309340 is your go-to solution for reliable and efficient electronics. The SUODINKORTTI 309340 PCB card is crafted to boost your device's performance. The SUODINKORTTI 309340 is a premium PCB card designed for superior electronic performance. Its high-quality construction offers optimal filtering and robust protection for circuit boards, ensuring smooth and efficient device operation. It offers superior filtering capabilities, ensuring clean and stable power flow. This card also provides robust protection, safeguarding your circuit boards from potential damage. Its space-saving design ensures it fits seamlessly, even in the most space-constrained environments. This makes it an ideal choice for modern electronics where efficiency and minimalism are key. The SUODINKORTTI 309340 PCB card boasts a compact design, perfectly suited for seamless integration into diverse electronic devices. This innovative design enhances device functionality without sacrificing performance, offering a practical solution for modern electronics. Thank you for watching us.